Here's how you can learn Blender in 20 hours. So someone told me once that you can learn any skill in 20 hours. It's not a lot of time, and you think about like how long you will actually be spending in Blender. And of course, you won't master the skill in that time. Mastering a skill takes like a billion times longer, but just getting comfortable with something actually takes like 20 hours. There's just one caveat to the 20 hours thing is you need one-on-one tutoring to really accelerate that to the point where you can properly learn it in 20 hours. Now, maybe you won't even need 20 hours, like it kind of varies how much you exactly need per skill. I'm not sure what it's like in Blender. Maybe it's about like 10, 15, maybe 20, who knows? But maybe 25. It's some variance there. It's not exactly a scientifically accurate measurement, of course. But imagine every mistake you make gets corrected instantly instead of gets corrected like an hour later when you figure out, oh no, that was wrong, and then my model looks terrible and the topology is bad, and oh no. So if you just follow tutorials like the one on my channel, for example, you will learn, and eventually you will be good enough that like you will be at the same point as if you just had a tutor. You won't learn as fast. Now, I'm not here advertising my own services, but you could definitely pay someone to do this for you. If you make enough per hour, it's totally worth it to just pay someone to teach you how to make things in Blender, and then you learn faster, so you'd save yourself time, so that would save you money, really, because you could just be working in that time instead. So really, it is an efficient way to spend your money to get a tutor, but I'm not doing this for money. I have this thing where we make games for charity together in like a big community. Well, currently a very small community of no one because I haven't started the project yet as I'm recording this, but it will be started by the time you're watching this, so that's exciting. And if you want to just get one-on-one instruction from me, I've made like 3 games, all 3D, and before that I've made more games, but like 3 games on Steam. You can learn way faster if you just have me on a call with you, and I'm very incentivized to help you because I want to make games for charity with people, because that's my entire life goal, to donate insane amounts of money by making games together. Because if you think about it, Dark Souls, Elden Ring made a whole lot of money. Imagine if no one got paid on the project because they all did it volunteer basis to learn how to make games, and everything went to charity. Imagine how many lives it would save. Probably like hundreds of thousands, maybe even. It's about 500,000. Yeah, it's about 5,000 per life according to GiveWell estimates. So basically, pretty cool. Save a lot of lives, could save hundreds of thousands of people if this all goes well. So I'm putting all my effort into this. So if you want to learn super fast, just hit me up on Discord. Link is in the description, and I'll teach you one-on-one how to make models in Blender. We can make a game together. It's pretty cool. That'll look good on your resume. There's an ad over. It's not really an ad if it's free, but you know what I mean. So basically, if you want to learn super fast, do that. And I kind of wish I had done that when learning Blender. I'm still potentially looking into doing something similar with someone who can model very well, better than me, because I'm just looking to improve my skills further. Because this rabbit looks quite nice, but he could look better. So something I'm looking into. So this isn't really something you can finish with ever, really. Like there's always going to be more stuff you can learn. Just the biggest acceleration is, of course, at the start, because you know nothing and then you know everything, or not everything, but like you know nothing and then you know enough to model something that looks nice in 20 hours. It's pretty short, really. You can do it in a month, less than a month. You can do it in like 20 days if you do an hour a day. And might be quite a lot with like a tutor, because you have to plan that into your schedules. But like a month could totally work. In a month, you could be good with Blender. It's pretty cool, right? So that's interesting to you. Check out the community or get someone else to do it if you don't trust me. Also totally fair. I'm very trustworthy, don't trust me. I feel like this is not a very trustworthy thing to say. But if this is something that's interesting to you, just do the stuff, subscribe, like, and hopefully this little mindset training thing helped you out. There'll be a lot more videos about Blender on this channel because I'm trying to collect 3D modelers at the moment. And yeah, that's cool. So if that's something that's interesting to you, then I've said that like 3 times already. I gotta outro this video and I don't really know how to do it. Goodbye.